Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy. In this video today I will explain about for loop in stored procedure. For loop is an essential part in your stored procedure when you are going to use a iteration process. In those cases you can use for loop. So I will start with a syntax first and then I will show you an example where I've used for loop. So let me start with this syntax first. In the syntax you can use like for, then the loop variable, in, reverse, start value, end value, and do, then the body of this for loop, and then end for. So the syntax elements are defined here, so I will go one by one. The first you have to write for, then loop variable. So this is the variable which identifies your order from start value to end value. Then you can use reverse, and that is not mandatory to use reverse. Reverse means that it is going to use in descending order, and then you have to give the start value. Start is the value from where your loop is going to start, and the end value means when your loop is going to end, and these are the integer value. And now you have the function do, and after that you have to give the iterative method that you are going to write here, and after that end for. And so this covers the syntax part. Now I will move to the example which I have written here, and this is a small example. Like you are creating a procedure, create procedure SAP HANA dot for loop practice. Here SAP HANA is the schema and for loop practice is the name of the procedure. Now as per the syntax you have to write like this, as begin, and now I'm declaring item integer and declaring I, this is also an integer. Now the for loop starts like this. You have to write the statement like for, then the I is the variable which identifies 1 to n, and then do an item equal to item plus 1 and end for. So in this method the value of I will be increasing from 1 to 10, and your loop will be continuing like this. And once the value of I crosses 10, so this for loop will exceed and the further statements will be executed. So this is an easy process how can you write for loop. So that's all about this video. Thank you and have a nice day.